Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today or you've had a good day so far. Today we've got another speed clean with me video. It's kind of part 2 to the last one that I uploaded and it seemed like you all loved it so much, so I thought I would upload this part 2 of me just cleaning the downstairs of my house this time, the kitchen and the living room. It wasn't necessarily that dirty, but it was certainly very messy and needed a good clean and tidy. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight on to the cleaning. So the first thing that I like to do, or the first thing that I did, was to sort of clean the living room. Just make sure it was all tidy before I got down to the sort of dusting and hoovering side of things. As you can see, I just put everything away to begin with, and I'm now sort of puffing up the cushions on my sofa. The one thing that I find really hard with my sofa is the chaise lounge bit, because you can't swap that pillow with the sort of other parts of the sofa. So if anyone has any tips apart from trying to pull all of the fluff down to the other side of the cushion, then please let me know, because the other ones I just swap around with each other so they rotate, but that one you can't. But yeah, the next thing that I like to do now the living room's all tidy is I like to just go around and dust everything. So I'll dust the TV unit, the ladder shelf, and I will go around and dust all of the skirting boards as well. I like to just use the easy duster thing for all of the flat surfaces, and then I've got this like little pink duster for all the skirting boards and sort of door frames as well. Once I've all dusted and that's all settled, I like to go in and hoover my living room, and I just have a Dyson hoover, which I absolutely love. We have that Animal version 2 or Animal 2.0 Dyson hoover, and the reason we got this is because it's like a hypoallergenic one for allergies, as it picks up loads of like animal hair as well, and since we are getting a kitten soon, it'll be perfect. And this is pretty much the living room finished. Look at those hoover lines. I just feel so much better when the living room is all finished. The next thing, I just move on to the hallway and I will hoover down all of the stairs, and then the rest of the floor downstairs is sort of hard floor. It's not carpet, so I'll just go around and hoover all of that as well. Moving on to the kitchen. First thing that I like to do is just empty the dishwasher and load it all up and get all of the washing done. This way I can just make sure the worktops are as clear as possible, ready for cleaning them. Use fairy liquid. I'm currently using the yellow one, but we got the blue one the other day, and you can see I'm giving my straws a good old clean with a straw cleaner as I drink smoothies out of them, so they tend to get a bit of fruit stuck in them sometimes. And then my favourite thing to clean the worktops with is this Detol spray. I believe I've got it in the lime and lemon flavour at the moment, but any Detol spray I just absolutely blimmin' love. And I'm giving it a good old clean behind the toaster, as it tends to get a lot of crumbs and things behind there. And the hob really wasn't that dirty, as we do wipe it down after we've eaten every single night, so I just like to go over it with Detol just to get rid of all of the smears on the stainless steel. And I also like to wipe down the handles to the ovens, as these tend to get quite dusty as well. Next surface is the table, and I normally wipe down the bench along with the table as well, just because that tends to get crumbs on too. Now that all of the crumbs have been swept onto the floor, mainly, I will go around and make sure everything is hoovered and give the underneath the table a good old hoovering as well. And I don't think you can see on this video, but I will hoover underneath our sofa in the kitchen too, which is just behind the camera. sort of hard floors with, I like to use this Flash speed mop that I got, and it basically just, you get these little pad thingies and they sort of just attach themselves to the mop. They smell amazing, and a trick I like to do with them is I'll put them on the mop sort of this way round, and then once they are dirty is you can actually take them off and flip them the other way around, just so you can get more use out of one of the pads. I normally go upstairs and sort of clean the bathrooms with the other side of the little pad thing. And then the last thing I like to do is when downstairs is all clean and tidy, I will just light a candle just to fill the air with some lovely fragrances. This is the, I think it's Winter Spice from Next, and it smells amazing, although it's almost gone. But I just feel so much better when the kitchen is looking like this. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this speed clean with me, guys. Do you prefer it when it's speedy, or do you prefer it when I'm sort of slower real-time cleaning with me? I would like to know your feedback, so please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye everybody.